Don't. No, that's not candy. Oh, that's ice cream.
Yeah, this is ice cream. And this one?
Oh, it's what?
Sling bag.
Oh, it's a bag. Yeah, that's the one I was like, I hope you like it too.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a solar panel fan slash USB. So when like you have a power outage, you just put it in the sun and yeah. Oh, let's go back. What's down 10? I don't know what that is.
Oh my gosh, so pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's also reversible and everything. You can put your phone, it goes around right here. It goes around like that.
That's candy.
Don't, no, that's not candy.
It's a bag.
Do you like the color or no?